weather in my city. The weather in my city is very interesting. In the summer, it is hot and sunny. Many people like to go to the beach or eat ice cream to stay cool. Sometimes it rains in the afternoon, but the rain is light and doesn't last long. In the winter, it is cold and windy. People wear coats and scarves to stay warm. It does not snow in my city, but the mornings can be foggy. In the spring, the weather is warm and nice. Flowers bloom everywhere, and the air smells fresh. Autumn is my favorite season because it is cool and comfortable. The trees turn orange and yellow, making the city very beautiful. The weather in my city changes a lot, but I like it. What is the weather like in your city?